Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica, and today I have my little Shein, well not little, I got quite a few things, my Shein haul. Now I know you guys know what Shein is, everybody shops at Shein, so I don't really need to talk too much about it. I will say, even though with everything that is going on with this whole COVID thing, their shipping is still pretty good. It didn't take too long for it to get here. So if you guys are wondering if it's going to be taking long, for me personally, it did not. So if you want something, you can definitely get it within a reasonable amount of time. But I will say, definitely make sure you go ahead and read the description of the item, check out what the item material is made out of, and also go ahead and check the reviews, because Shein is pretty much a hit or miss when it comes to their sizing. There are definitely some things in here that I should have gotten bigger, and some that I definitely could have gotten smaller. The sizes that I got and everything are either a medium or a large, because your girl has still not lost any of the baby weight, and it's frustrating. But it is what it is. But definitely go ahead and make sure you read the description and the reviews as well. That way you can go ahead and get your best size depending on the item. But yeah, before we go ahead and get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you a part of my YouTube family here. And without further ado, let's jump into the video and let's take a look and see what I got. Alright, so I did get a lot of sets. I'm really into sets right now. A lot of these things I'm probably not even going to end up getting to wear before the summer is over, because I did decide to go ahead and do a huge order kind of late in the game in terms of wanting to go ahead and wear them. Where the hell I was thinking I was going to wear them anyways with what's going on, I don't know, but I still got them. I can always wear them next year if I choose to, whatever. Let's start off with this cute little set. It's like this little mustard floral set. So these are the bottoms. The waistband is very stretchy, as you can see, very stretchy. I generally have to get a size large in these, not so much from the waist, but because your girl has some thick thighs and a butt, so I need these to cover all of that, because they tend to be kind of short. And then it came with this matching little top, which is so cute. I love little tops like these. And then of course it stretches in the back, which is great. Super cute. Now this, I definitely could have sized down. I'm probably going to go ahead and find a way to take them in, because I just really don't want to go ahead and return and ship items out. But it's, of course, another set. This is the top, and you basically just go ahead and wrap it around and then tie it in a knot. Hopefully they hold everything in, but we'll see how that goes. And then the matching bottoms, and as you can see, they're freaking huge even for me. So I'm gonna see how I can go ahead and just take them in just a little bit. Next up, I've got this cute little lavender set. I can't wait to wear this. It's so cute, very casual. I mean, I'm only gonna be lounging around in my house. I really have no need to even be getting ready, but if I felt like being comfortable and getting ready, this is definitely great. I know a lot of these sets are like really huge right now, so lavender shorts paired up with the lavender tee. So super cute. Can't wait. If you guys don't know, purple, lavender, that whole color is my favorite color. So I like this one a lot more probably than the rest, just because of the color. Alright, next up here I have another lavender set. So these are the bottoms. They're so cute. I actually really like these. They've got an extra lining on the bottom, on the inside, and they're short, so it only is going to give extra coverage in like the butt area. So that is that. And then I love the little detailing in the front, And then it comes with this cute little matching top. I don't know how the hell I'm going to fit in this, but we'll figure it out. But this is the top. And then it comes off the shoulders and that hangs. Now here's another comfy lounge set. This one I probably could have sized down, but I did not bother to read anything, so that's why I'm telling you guys, make sure you go ahead and read. But it's this tie-dye little lounge set, and it comes with a little tank, which is also tie-dye. So super cute. There we go. So, can't wait to go ahead and just wear this around the house. Next up, I got this cute little maxi dress, and it's white with floral flowers on it. It does have a second lining inside. As you guys know, or most of you guys know, their clothing is runs on the thinner side, and then it has these strings right here that goes ahead and cinches. I believe it's right underneath the bust area, so it's not at the waist. So you can go ahead and definitely tighten it. But I really love this one. I think this is super cute. Hopefully I get to wear this before summer is over. Next, I've got this cute little set here. It's kind of almost like a skirt. I don't freaking know. And this little set right here, it ties at the side and then opens up. This one I definitely could have sized up, so I'm probably gonna have to save this till next year when I decide to finally get my life together and work out consistently. And then it's just got this top. The top is perfect. Obviously it stretches, so definitely very, very cute. It comes with this little tie. You can go ahead and tie it up in your hair. Next up is this green dress here. The back is stretchy. As you can see, it's kind of thin, so I would definitely go ahead and wear some little shorts underneath this. So you definitely don't want anybody seeing all your goods. And then the sleeves are off the shoulder, and it comes with two of these. I think one of these is supposed to go around your waist, and then the other one, of course, for your hair. So I think that's super cute that it comes with all of these accessories. Next up, I've got this set. It's similar to this blue one. I kind of really didn't pay attention. I just saw something, thought it was cute, threw it in the cart and just bought everything. This one does open up all the way though. It has a button here, 2 buttons, and then you just go ahead and clasp it and then tie it, and then the top here as well. So off the shoulders, I really like how that off the shoulder looks. I don't know why I have broad shoulders and that does not look good on me, but I seem to buy these things anyways. But on the back as well, stretch, and then definitely make sure you wear something underneath because it's. And then of course this one again comes with a little tie for your hair, so cute. Now this one I also definitely could have sized down, and it is this pink maxi dress. It's like a leopard cheetah print maxi dress. Ties up here at the shoulders on both sides, and this is the reason mainly why I definitely could have sized down. This is stretchy, so I don't really need the size that I got, and it's just very large overall, which is of course the whole point of the maxi dress, but I definitely could have sized down. This is one I actually really like too, and I can't wait to go ahead and wear it. It's a yellow floral print again, and I just love the whole design on it all together, and then the little tie up here at the front. It's very lightweight, and I just think it's so pretty. Next, I got this other maxi dress. I got a lot of maxi dresses. It is this green one here. I don't have it buttoned up, but it's cute. It's kind of more like at your calf, so more midway, not all the way down. But it's so cute. It's got these white flowers on it. Apparently, I'm very into floral print right now, it seems, because I think almost everything has floral print on it. So that is this one. Then apparently I seem to have gotten 2 types of animal print dresses in similar colors, but this one's actually really cute. Well, obviously they're all cute because I bought them, but this one is obviously shorter and it's just that bigger look, but I freaking love this. It's so cute. I can't wait to wear this one. Next up I have this pink 2 set. This one I should have sized up. This was my bad. But this is the skirt. Definitely has a lot of stretch, but like I said, I do have thick thighs and a butt. I don't really think this is going to come like this. So, and then this is the top, which is really cute. And again, I don't know how the heck I'm gonna put this into here, but it's really cute. Hopefully, maybe I can get myself into it. Next, we've got this yellow 2-piece. It is a blazer and shorts set. I could have sized down in this one, but I think it will look so cute because it's so bright. Throw on a white top, some white shoes, and just call it a day, or even some clear ones. But this is the blazer. It does have the padding in here, which I'm most likely going to take out because, like I mentioned, I do feel like I have broad shoulders, so I'm not trying to make them look any bigger. So I'll most likely take that out. And then these shorts here, I'll definitely be wearing some shorts underneath these because, as you can see, they're definitely see-through, and it comes with this tie. I believe this is to go around your waist. I got this cute little black dress. It's got heart prints on it, and it ties up here at the top. The V-neck. It's so cute. Now I got one, I think this is, got 2 more items. This is another lavender set. It's a tube top here. Definitely has a lot of stretch. Definitely, of course, again, make sure you wear pasties, something underneath that is see-through. And then I'll most likely obviously put some Spanx to suck everything in, and then of course to put like another layer because this is not double lined, so it is see-through, and then it's got the slit in the back, but definitely has a lot of stretch, so you most likely can either get your size or maybe even a size down in this. It's just all depending on how comfortable you want it to be, or actually how tight you like it to fit. And then last one is this kind of burnt orange set. This is the top. It's got the ruffles in the front, lots of stretch. Of course, we love that. And the skirt. Again, floral print. It's my thing right now, guys. So this is so cute. Again, lots of stretch. There is no stretch right here. Bottom, the midpoint. So definitely make sure you either get your size or a size up, especially if you have a bigger bottom half, because this will end up being tight around kind of like your thigh butt area, and not supposed to look like that. So, yeah. Alright guys, so that is it for my Shein haul. I hope it wasn't too long. I don't think it was. I didn't do a try on haul. I just showed you guys what I got. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely go ahead and check them out. They're very, very affordable. They do have some extremely cute stuff. And again, like I said, the shipping is actually not that long of a wait. So definitely go ahead and check them out. I will go ahead and try to find all of the items that I purchased and link them in the description box down below for you guys, just in case if you saw anything you liked and you wanted to go ahead and get it for yourself, you can easily find it in the description box. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and as always, leave a comment down below as far as what you would like to see next on my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!